not a very big piece.
Oh, look at him.
Oh yeah, well he already had a bite of that.
You got a picture?
Yeah. Well, he saw this. He's no dummy.
He's gonna take your friggin' hand off.
He's gonna run into the room here is what he's gonna do.
Oh yeah, he's gonna sneak under that window.
Well, frick, we'll let him off now. Oh, no.
Yeah,
Here he comes. Here he comes. He says, "Hey, this stuff is good."
The other window opens too, Darcy.
No, it doesn't.
On the other side.
No, it doesn't.
Doesn't it?
No.
Oh yeah, don't you let him into this
Well,
fucking
look
room.
at it. He's just freaking going, whooshing down that stuff.
Oh, another one! You guys started now.
All
Is
their
there another one?
Wait,
Yes.
no, Darce.
One left and the other one just showed up.
Fuck off. Here, wait a second. Here, let me do this.
Jenny, shush. Look at Jenny. She's on the other side of the room now. Darcy, he's gonna come in this room and
No,
you're
you
gonna
can't
run
even
away
get in
and
the
then I'll be
frickin' room.
stuck.
Oh, here comes another one. Get them out of here!
Look at Jen.
Jen's locked himself in the bathroom.
Let's see.
What? What are you doing over there?
See how goddamn big those birds are?
What do they figure they're gonna grab you and take you?